mistakes going on concerning JAMB registration. I see a lot of candidates making quite a lot of mistakes, especially in the area of how to register, especially in the area of profile code generation, EPIN, the CBT center, where to even go and register, even how to fill the form. I see quite a lot of mistakes, and some of these mistakes are so costly. Some people have made mistakes that affect them when they get admission. Some people made mistakes that will even make it impossible for them to gain the admission. You know, some people are making mistakes with the subject combination. I mean, it just messes up the whole JAMB. They will write it, they may even pass, but they can't get the particular course they're looking for. Some people are making the mistake of, okay, you even put the wrong institution. I mean, you want to study a particular course, and you are putting an institution that doesn't offer it as first choice. I mean, there are quite a lot of mistakes going on. Some people don't even know how to go about reading. Some people don't even know the new JAMB novel for the year they are writing. So let me guide you. Let me just give you a snippet of these are mistakes that can be avoided if you ask questions. I mean, if you ask questions, you could avoid some of these mistakes. If you watch this video from beginning to the end, I'm going to give you a key of how to ask me questions. I'm also going to give you free JAMB past questions. I'm also going to give you free JAMB syllables, right? Free JAMB past question, free JAMB syllables, and also give you some other tips. The number one question some of you have is how to get your profile code. It's just a simple thing. I've kept emphasizing. Profile code is one of the simplest things. You generate it in your house with your SIM card and 50 naira in your phone. You can generate your profile code. But I'm allowing you. You have a question concerning how to generate profile code. You have been generating it and they are telling you service not available. You have tried over and over again, or you generated last year and you are writing JAMB. You know, you don't know how to go about it. Just ask me a question, right? I will tell you how to do that. The next thing is, some of you don't know the documents that are required. You don't know the required documents, you know. You don't know whether you should get email address. You don't know whether NIN is compulsory. You don't know whether you can use NECO plus WAEC. You don't know question about awaiting result. You don't know about age difference. You don't just know the documents to go for your registration with. Just don't make a silly mistake. Ask me. Ask me. As JAMB registration has started, ask me now. Some of you are making. I've seen mistakes on how to fill JAMB form, and I'm like, wow. These are simple things you can ask questions on. So before you fill your JAMB question, if you don't know how to do it, please ask me. I will tell you how to ask me at the end of this video. Please ask me. Please ask me before you make a mistake that you are going to regret. At the end of this video, I will give you free JAMB syllables, free JAMB past question. One single mistake you make in this filling of form can cost you your admission. One single mistake you make can cost you your admission, right? Okay, let's move on. Why are you people making mistakes on JAMB EPIN? You don't know where to buy JAMB EPIN. You don't even know how much it is sold. You don't know how to go about it. Simply asking me is enough, right? You can ask question. Ask me anything, okay? So JAMB EPIN, it is important you know how it is. I've talked to you about your JAMB profile code. Some of you don't know the new date for the exam. If you are watching this video in 2025, there is a new date. JAMB has been moving it from this day to another day. They said we were expecting it to start in 2024. They moved it to 2025. They said it will start in January 15. They moved it, when we get to January 15, they moved it to January 31st. We got to January 31st. They now moved it again, did about turn. Moved it again to February 3rd. Okay, we are now in February 3rd. We are just watching. So if you have any question concerning the new dates, whether it's in 2025 or 2026 or 2027 or any year you are watching, just let me know. Ask me the questions. I will answer that, right? I've talked about the JAMB EPIN, which is very, very, very important. You cannot write your exam without it. The next thing I need you to ask question on, if you are finding difficulty, Don't ask me question you don't have difficulty in. But if you are finding it difficult to know the proper subject combination, let's say you want to do nursing, you want to do medicine, you want to do computer engineering, you want to do public administration, you want to do surveying, you want to do horticulture, you want to do veterinary, you want to do animal husbandry, you want to do political science, you want to do metallurgical engineering, you want to do any course, it is important you know the particular set of subjects. I mean, the 4 subjects. Of course, you know in JAMB you write 4 subjects. English, that is called use of English, is compulsory in JAMB. But then you will need other subjects like if you are doing biology, if you are doing medical courses, you will need to write biology, chemistry, and mathematics, right? If you are doing engineering, of course, you need mathematics, chemistry, and physics, right? There are certain courses. If you want to do law, of course, you need CRS or IRS. You need literature. I think you need government too. So depending on the course you are looking for, feel free. If you are not very sure, if you are not very sure of the course of the subject combination, let me know before you make a mistake that will haunt you, a mistake that will affect your admission. I've talked about how to fill your form. If you don't know, then another very important thing, remember at the end of this video, if you watch till the end, you will qualify for free JAMB pass question, free JAMB syllabus, and for my mentorship, okay? The Lucky Headmaster is a book by Alade Galba, right? It is a compulsory book. The other year it was Life Changer, the Life Changer, but some people don't know that it has been moved, it has been changed to the Lucky Headmaster. So if you need any question, if you have any question about the book, even in our channel, we have been giving you expo questions that JAMB will ask in that book. If you need it, if you need guidance, clarifications on that book, feel free to ask now before you make silly questions. Remember, in this channel, my goal is that all of you watching this channel will score at least 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, type I claim it. Everybody following Noble tutorials on YouTube, you are not permitted to score less than 300 in your JAMB. If you claim it, type I claim it and work towards it. It will not fall from the moon, no, but I am here to guide you from now till you write the exam. I am here to guide you. Do you claim it? Let me know. Okay? So, the next thing, how to check your JAMB result. Once you have written the exam, if you need guidance on how to check the exam, whether you're writing in 2025, 2026, 2027, no matter the year, we will guide you on how to check your JAMB result. Now, if you don't even know where to go for your JAMB registration, some of you don't know, okay, where is JAMB office in my state? Some of you don't know, maybe you are in Ghana, you are in Cameroon, you are in Togo, or you don't even know whether you can register outside the country or so. You have such questions of the particular place, whether you should go to a cyber cafe, whether you should do this or that. Just ask the question before you waste your money, waste transport fare, and go to the wrong place, or before people dupe you. I hear people collecting 10,000, 12,000 from people and also not registering them. So ask the right questions. Now, if you need me to give you, we have done audio recording. We have read out this book, Lucky Headmaster, for you. If you need the audio recording of the book, also let me know. We recorded it for you, we read it for you, so that if you don't have time to read, we have read it for you. We'll also give you. You want to download this book? We can give you guidance on how to get it and start reading. Right? If you need it, you let me know. So feel free to ask your questions. Feel free to do what? Ask your questions. Don't swallow it. I am here to help you score at least 300 in your JAMB, but you must be ready to ask those questions. There is a video I'm leaving for you on the screen. Tap on it and watch it now.